Hello, trombone players. Here's good King Wenceslas from the beginning. So the first thing we want to talk about is the C to B flat to C to D motion that happens in measure 3 and measure 7. C, B flat, C, D, E flat is a lot of movement. We haven't had to move our slides that much yet in trombone land. So take a moment and slide along with me without playing, okay? C, B flat, C, D, E flat. Make sure every single one of those locks into place where it should be. First is the C, C, B flat, C, D, E flat. Try that a few times, make sure it sounds just like me. Rewind the video as much as you need. The next thing we need to talk about in this song is the repeat that happens at the end of the song. These two dots tells you to play the entire song another time. So instead of playing 8 measures in the song, you'll be playing 16 measures. Good news is that it's the same phrase, 1, 2, 3, 4 measures. You'll do that again for this section, and then you'll do that entire thing again. So really it's just 4 measure phrase repeated 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Math. When you're recording, make sure you use headphones in such a way that when you listen back to your blue playback button, you hear only yourself. When it comes to the beats per minute in this song, make sure that your beats per minute are at 88 beats per minute. And if you do play it slower at first, that is fine. Just make sure you put it back to 88 when you go to record. If you're not quite ready to record at 88 beats per minute, don't turn something in yet. Keep practicing. Maybe send me a Canvas message with some progress so far. As long as you use your ears and match exactly what I did in this video and what you hear in Smart Music, you will be just fine. Look forward to hearing you guys' recordings. Thanks.